Assalamualaikum. My name is Ikhwan Hakim bin Abdul Razak. I am a biodiversity management student in UiTM Jengka. I have fulfilled my industrial training in Malaysian Palm Oil Board (MPOB) under the surveillance of Puan Nik Sasha Katrina Khairuddin. Puan Nik Sasha Katrina Khairuddin is the head of peat ecosystem and biodiversity unit under the Biology and Sustainability Research Division. As for my organization's background, I begin with the organization's name, which is Malaysian Palm Oil Board (MPOB), specifically with Peat Ecosystem and Biodiversity Unit (PEB). PEB is my unit during my industrial training under the Biology and Sustainability Research Division, located at number 6 Persiaran Institusi, Bandar Baru Bangi, Kajang, Selangor. MPOB is the government agency entrusted to serve the country's oil palm industry. Its main role is to promote and develop national objectives, policies and priorities for the well-being of the Malaysian oil palm industry. Moreover, MPOB was incorporated by an Act of Parliament and established on 1st May in the year of 2000. The reason MPOB was instituted is to take over through a merger the functions of the Palm Oil Research Institute of Malaysia, which is known as PORIM, and the Palm Oil Registration and Licensing Authority, PORLA. Each of these respective organizations has been involved in the oil palm industry for more than 20 years, and it is to render more effective services as well as to give greater national and international focus to the oil palm industry. Okay, next, the industrial training objectives. First, to acquaint or identify the organization's structure and its management system. Next, to learn about the equipment that will be utilized in the workplace, and to acknowledge the organization's work ethics in terms of interpersonal relationships, discipline, rules or regulations, and methods of conducting our assigned tasks. Lastly, industrial training intended to enhance self-confidence by discovering a new hard skills and also soft skills. The objectives of the organization is to develop policies and programs to ensure the Malaysian oil palm industry's sustainability. Moreover, carry out analysis and development pertaining to the palm oil sector. So in order to ensure all actions pertaining to the oil palm sector should be authorized, governed and coordinated. Also to develop research discoveries, disseminate and commercialize them, and offer technical consultancy services to the oil palm sector. Moreover, to cooperate and plan with regional, national and international organizations to support Malaysia's oil palm sector. Plan training and programs for the development of human resources in accordance with the requirements of the oil palm sector. Lastly, the objectives of the organization is to lead the oil palm industries as a center of resources and information for distributing knowledge on oils and fats. Okay, during my industrial training at MPOB, I was assigned to do field research and desktop research. As for the field research, I have involved in the installation of TDP-30 on oil palm fronts. My scope of work there is to assist MPOB research officers involving sensor replacement works using a model TDP-30, taking readings of pit water level manually using STS diver, downloading the data from the auto subsidence tool, and cleaning the rain gauge tool in Ladang Aspa, Sungai Miang, Pekan Pahang. As for the desktop research, I utilize the desktop research to gather relevant materials regarding the oil palm industry, sustainability in agriculture, specifically in oil palm plantation, the concept of high conservation value, nature-based solutions. Moreover, desktop research is also beneficial for me in the process of writing literature reviews related to biodiversity and ecosystem services. As for the values added obtained throughout my industrial training here in MPOB is I received the opportunity to learn about vegetative measurement and gain basic knowledge of coniferous plantations as well as broadleaf trees. I have also learned a few examples of vegetation control techniques such as mixing arbor trees with shrubs and grasses, creating grass shrub vegetation, cultivating economically producing forests through plantation and aerial sowing. To be added, I also learned how to take measurements on the number of leaflets, height, trunk, diameter and petiole X section, and learn how to measure phyllotaxy of oil palms. Also, I have also learned and gained basic knowledge of portable photosynthesis system and LICO-EDI covariance. The values added that had been contributed to the organization is first my field research report on subflow technique based on thermal dissipation probe TDP-30 conducted in Ladang Aspa, Sungai Miang, Pekan Pahang. This field research report will help researchers, especially research officers in MPOB and oil palm plantation operators in estimating oil palm water use and productivity on pit soil. Moreover, I have also conducted a desktop research. This desktop research helps MPOB researchers in gathering relevant materials regarding the oil palm industry, sustainability in agriculture, the concept of high conservation value, and nature-based solution. Next, we move to the suggestion. As for the student, I would like to suggest that all industrial training students should be more proficient and punctual in completing assigned tasks. Moreover, students should be also sensitive to the issues that came up during industrial training. For the university, they must constantly supervise and monitor the students during their industrial training in order to encourage them to complete their jobs properly and accurately. This will develop a tight relationship between the academic supervisors and the organization to allow an adequate evaluation regarding the performance of the students in the fieldwork. Lastly, the organizations need to provide a platform where the student can communicate with the organization or other internship students, such as WhatsApp group, Telegram, or any related platform where the organization can deliver important information for the students to ask questions regarding what they did not understand during their industrial training. As for the conclusion, industrial training allows students to gain first-hand experience in a real-world work environment while also benefiting their personal and professional growth. Moreover, it develops students' leadership skills and provides them the accountability to execute and accomplish work that have been assigned. Furthermore, the feedback from organizations involved assist the students as well as the faculty in strengthening the graduates' character and professional abilities. Thank you.